In today's tutorial, I will show you how to merge or unmerge same cells with Kutools for Excel. In Excel, no way can merge cells in a table, but here I introduce a roundabout trick for you to merge cells in a table. Select the table, click the Table Design tab. In the Tools group, click the Convert to Range option, and in the popping up dialog box, click the Yes button to convert the table to a range that also looks like a table. Then click the Kutools tab. In the Range and Cells group, click the Merge and Split drop-down list and select Merge Same Cells. As you can see, the same cells are merged. And if you want to unmerge the same cells, again click the Merge and Split drop-down list and select the unmerged cells and fill value. As you can see, the merged cells are unmerged. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe for more videos.